Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your Facebook Live so that you can get more views from the right type of people. So great training today, and it's going to be real quick. It's Owen Video.
Owen Video!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Owen Video, coming at you 2 times each week with a new training that will help you learn how live video and other marketing strategies can help you blow past your competition and grow your business. Today I'm going to be talking about the almighty Facebook boost post option here. Okay, now boosting a post on Facebook means that you can put some money behind the post and Facebook will send it out to a targeted group of people. Now, there are people in the Facebook advertising community who will tell you, hey, look, you should never boost a post. You should never boost a post. There's so many better ways. You can use Ads Manager, you can use Business Manager, or Power Editor. Okay, all of that stuff has validity and credibility, but you cannot beat the flexibility and the speed of boosting a post on Facebook, because you can do it from mobile and you can do it from desktop, and it works predominantly the same way. So let's go to Facebook. Let's look at the computer, and I'm going to show you guys how to walk through this process and boost your post to an audience that will get you more views and help you to grow your show. The first thing I'm going to do is come to my business page on Facebook, and I'm going to find the post I want to boost. Okay, so here was our last podcast, only 473 views. Not really great for a usual podcast. So we want to boost this so that we're getting the same amount of views every single week and continuing to make the impact that we're making. Notice this little button right here that says Boost Post. Okay, I'm going to click that. And when I do, a whole bunch of options come up. And this is where I think a lot of people get confused. So let's just walk through these a little bit together. Okay, the first thing, when you boost a post, when you put money behind a video, Facebook gives you the option to add a button underneath your post. And obviously you see on the right-hand side here, we have the desktop news feed. And then we can click this to see what the mobile news feed looks like. We can even come in here and look at more options, but these aren't ever really going to apply to us. So we're going to stay focused on the news feed and the desktop feed. When you add a button, you have these 7 different options. Okay, you can have no button, a shop now button, book now, learn more, and so on and so forth. So when I add this, you'll see now that the learn more button appears underneath the ad, and I have an option up here of where I might want to send them, to my website, maybe to some other third-party site where I'm hosting this blog. Adding a button adds a whole new level of complexity onto your advertising because you're giving them something else to do instead of watch the video. So I'm not always going to recommend adding a button, and in this case, we're not going to add it because our goal is to get views, not to drive them to traffic. So I got rid of the button there, and I'm going to change this picture back to newsfeed. Now it's asking me the audience here. Who do you want to market this video to? Who do you want to send this video to? So it's giving me the option of people that I pick through targeting, and I can edit this. When I click on edit, this is something we've seen before, okay? And this is something that anyone who's run Facebook ads has seen before. This is the standard sort of audience picker, and you can choose men, women, or both. You can change your age group. So I know for me, my age group is 35 to 55-year-old males. That is the marketplace that I'm in. And I could narrow down my locations here. I could just go San Diego, and it's going to narrow down my audience to 310,000 people. I'll click save. That sounds good enough to me. Now, not all those people are going to be business-minded, and that's okay. It's an ad. You know, you're looking for exposure here. But I've got some other options here, too. I can also target people who like my page. I can target people who like my page and their friends, and this has always been pretty successful for me. So if I target that, it's going to be people who like my page and their friends, and that's going to be in the United States. And again, I can go in and I can edit that, okay? And then, of course, I've got some other things here that we've run in the past for clients and things like that. Now, it's asking me here, Audience Network. Run promotion on Audience Network. I'm going to click no. What the Audience Network is a variety of other Facebook blogs and websites and things like this that Facebook affiliates with. And so somebody might see your ad while they're looking at a doctor's, a WebMD article or something like this. There's a time and a place for it, but for the most part, you're trying to get views of people that are on Facebook. So you want to be advertising on Facebook, and that's it. So I'm going to uncheck run promotion on Audience Network, and then I've got this budget and duration, okay? Notice how it says here $10 USD. It's putting in this its own bid, right? This is what it's decided it wants. It's like a good starting bid for me. Okay, and then it's telling me my estimated reach is unavailable. So notice how here it's only giving me like this $5 option or a choose your own option. This is because the audience I've selected is not a good fit for this particular ad. And Facebook's algorithm has decided that for me. Interesting, right? They're basically telling me that not enough people like my page and have friends that would be interested in this to make it worth my while. They're not even giving me options to invest. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go people I choose through targeting, and I'm going to kind of keep it with where I had that. Now, when I come back in here and click $10, it's telling me what my estimated reach is going to be, right? So at $10, my estimated reach is going to be 2,600 to 6,900 people will see the ad and choose whether or not to view it. And then those numbers go up. So you've got to decide what you want your view space to be. This was a good episode. I'm going to throw $20 into it. Okay, and that's my total budget, and it's telling me 4,700 to 12,000 people per day will see this ad if I run it for 1 day. I can also pick to run this for 7 days, and that gives the ad some time to saturate, sort of get into the marketplace, okay? And it's telling me when I will run the ad to and how much I will spend per day, okay? At this point, I'm going to click boost the post, and the post will be approved. They're already going to start upselling me right in the very beginning, but now I'm done, so I'm just going to hit close, and I've now boosted my post. So what'll happen now is my ad will shortly be approved. It'll start going out, and I'm going to notice immediately that I'm getting likes and comments on the video, or I'll see that I'm not getting likes and comments on the video, and that's telling me that something about this live video didn't resonate with my audience. But in reality, less than 500 views is not enough for me to make that decision on my own. When we have episodes like that, I boost them just to see how the marketplace reacts, and I make decisions from there. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Hey, if you've got more questions on how Facebook ads and Facebook Lives work, check out these playlists down below. Geek out on them. Just watch all the cool things you can do with Facebook Live video. If you want to learn more about presentation skills and how to look great on video, those types of things, check out this playlist down here as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.